Ayan, Believe It or Not. Let's try this one. Oo, naalala ko tong kanta na to, Believe It or Not.
Introducing ang napaka-preskong Pampers sa balat
parang
ng
super,
babies.
ano kasi siya,
Pampers,
parang superhero
aircon,
na lagi siya nagka-crash
absorb
landing.
sweatness, pati sweat. Kaya presko sa
Nakakalimutan
puwet.
ko kung anong
Now
pangalan
comes in
ng
pants and
superhero
tape.
na yun. Pero ito yung soundtrack nun, Believe It or Not. Parang American Hero ata yung ano, American Hero. Look at what happened to me, and I can believe it myself. Suddenly I'm on the top of the world, shouldn't be somebody else. Believe it or not, I'm walking on air. I never thought I could feel so free, flying away on the wings on a prayer. Who could it be? Believe it or not, it's just me. Just like the light of a new day, hitting me from out of the blue, breaking me out on the spell I was in, making all my wishes come true. Believe it or not, I'm walking in there. I never thought I could feel so free, flying away on the wings of a prayer. Who could it be? Believe it or not, it's just me. This is too good to be true. Look at me, falling for you. Believe it or not, I'm walking on air. Believe it or not, believe it or not, I'm walking on air. I never thought I could feel so free, flying away on the wings of a prayer. Who could it be? Believe it or not, it's just me. Oo, naalala ko na American Hero. Oo, TV series siya. Para siyang superhero siya na yung powers niya ay galing sa mga aliens. Oo, binigyan siya ng hero suit ng mga aliens para ipagtanggol at saka isolve yung mga crime dun sa America. American Hero. Check nyo yan. Ito yung soundtrack nun. Believe it or not, it's just me.